Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm testing for the very first time flying an Acro quadcopter. So I've been flying planes and helicopters for a while and quadcopters that have stability mode, but this is in full Acro. So what I'm flying here is the UR85HD. It has a Cadex Turtle 2 1080p 60 frames per second camera on it. And as you can see, I'm really struggling. This is literally the first time I'm trying to fly it outside. I did take it up in the air a little bit inside the house, just see if I can get it off the ground, make sure everything was just working. As you can see there, I'm drifting. I am not at all used to these controls, and there I crash. And then we're going to test turtle mode for the first time, and sure enough, it works. We're back up in the air. Try a flip for the first time. That went horribly wrong. Again, turtle mode is going to come to the rescue. It takes me a moment, but we do flip over and get righted up so we can go flying again. Eventually, this first round of flying, I do get the hang of it. I am using the UR85HD goggles. They're a box-style goggle with their own DVR recorder in them with diversity antennas. Finally, I'm able to get some control over this UR85, but I'm still struggling, especially with throttle control. Anytime I make some movements, you're going to see here, I'm going to kind of dive down. I'm not controlling the throttle like I need to. I'm going to continue trying to do flips, tried it a little slower, made it all the way around, landed upright, but chaos ensues. Eventually I said, well, I need a bigger field, and so I tried this at a larger field, and I struggled even more, at least with the flips. I kept trying to do them, and that was just my first goal, is can I do a flip, can I do some rolls, and there you go, I got it successfully, but that was short-lived, let me tell you. That was the only time I successfully did it in about 10 batteries worth of flying around, trying to get my bearings. So after this flight, I ran into some problems where it wasn't connecting properly. I wasn't getting proper voltage readings. So I ended up installing Betaflight 4.0.6. I also was playing with a neutral density filter, and as you can see in these videos now, I must have twisted the lens because it's way out of focus. But what I did do is in Betaflight, I adjusted the settings. I dialed back the rates quite a bit. I used the default settings, I guess, for Betaflight. And lo and behold, did some practice tests in Betaflight. You can actually play with the transmitter and see how the quad's going to behave using your stick inputs. I seem pretty happy with just the default settings. I did turn the motor stop off, and watch as I'm going to try and do a flip here. I have a lot more control, so I'm going to do a roll, I guess, is what I'm going to try and do first. Take it out. I'm over the field, away from, there's a flag football team of boys over there that were practicing, but I'm able to take the quad up, flip around, and have a lot more control. Yes, I touched the ground. I started up really high. I fell quite a bit down, but I'm at least getting my bearings. So that was the first attempt. I'm going to come back out to the field, and we're going to try this again. And lo and behold, we'll do our flip. Still a little cattywampus there, but we do make it work eventually. So here's about the third or fourth try. You can see now I have much more fine control. Now I know kind of what the sticks are doing, and I can do those rolls very, very easily. I'm going to do some forward motion here and come back towards me. I'm over by those trees, and I'm going to try and do a backflip. It's not going to go as well, but at least I made it around, got the horizon in the right spot. Again, throttle control is going to be key, but go right into a roll, no problem. I then ventured off with the poor camera. So the visibility here with everything out of focus, the same thing in my goggles. I'm able to fly through some tree branches, no problem. Eventually, I get some more courage, get some more speed, able to make some turns, and get a much better feel for the quad. And so granted, this is only the second time I'm flying this, so this is a total of maybe 6 or 7 batteries from the very first 2 or 3 that I flew to now this set. And you can see that I have a lot more control. Watch this dive here, go under the tree branches. I'm in pretty good control. I went to a different park. I got some hoops I put together. I'll have a video about those, and look at that. Pretty amazing. So this is in about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks of flying with this UR85HD. Not perfect by any means, but I'm at least able to work through some acro moves. Here you go. I'm going to do a roll as I'm flying forward without crashing. I made it all the way around, going around some trees. Have some hoops that I'm diving through. I'm not showing you all the times I get down really low and then I clip the grass or clip a tree branch. There you see I missed the hoop altogether. But I'm getting the hang of it. Can go in between trees. I'm able to recover when I make a mistake, like right here, go between, hit some branches, but I'm still able to get through and get around. I'm excited to continue to learn and develop flying acro. Thank you to so many people who posted videos on how to fly acro, because that's what I've taught myself with, how to use beta flight. And this UR85 has been fantastic, small little quad to learn how to fly acro, and I'm excited to continue to progress. Thanks so much for watching.